You wake up, rub your eyes, and do what every totally well-adjusted person does first thing in the morning. Grab your phone. The moment your screen lights up, boom, AI has already decided how your day is going to start. First, a news article about an asteroid just barely missing Earth last night. What? Cool. So now you're awake and slightly terrified. Next, an AI-generated influencer pops up, aggressively selling you a morning routine optimized for billionaires. You don't remember following them, but AI remembers you were interested in changing your morning routine. And then, somehow, you're 30 minutes deep into a heated debate over whether ancient Romans actually had better concrete than we do today. You're not even sure how you got here, but AI is. AI already runs your feed. But this is just a warm-up act. In the future, it won't just suggest content. It'll decide what matters, what's trending, what's news, what's real. And that could either be good or not so good. To start with, let's talk about who AI really works for. Spoiler, it's not you. AI isn't some neutral or knowing guide, gently curating your feed for your best interests. It's more like a hyperactive personal assistant with a gambling problem, constantly placing bets on what will keep you glued to the screen the longest. And guess who loves that? Corporations, advertisers, and politicians. Advertisers want to sell you stuff. Politicians want to sell you their ideas and that they are the better choice. And social media companies, they just want to sell you. Well, not literally yet, but they sell your attention, your time, your data, your predictability. The longer you scroll, the more valuable you become. So AI feeds you more outrage, more division, more reasons to pick a side and stay there. Because AI in social media isn't designed to make you think. It's designed to make you stay. The longer you stay, the easier you are to predict. And the more predictable you are, the easier you are to sell to influence, and to control. This isn't some dystopian sci-fi script. It's already happening. AI-driven social media doesn't just shape what you see, it shapes how you see the world. It builds bubbles so airtight that entire communities stop seeing each other as people, and they start seeing each other as enemies. And that's not great, to say the least. But what if AI-driven social media wasn't just a glorified chaos machine? What if, instead of feeding you the most rage-inducing hot take of the day, AI actually made your feed useful? Not in like some random productivity hack that you'd ignore, but more like in a way where you'd say, wait, why has no one told me this before? What if the algorithm didn't just chase clicks, but chased what's actually real, instead of flooding you with the same recycled drama, conspiracies, and fake hype? It gave you first dibs on the stuff that actually matters. Instead of shoving you down a rabbit hole of misinformation and low-effort hot takes, it helped you cut through the noise, dodge the BF, and see what's actually going on. Imagine AI that actually works for you. A feed that doesn't just waste your time, but actually makes your time online better. Not just with content you like, but content that actually makes you smarter, funnier, more interesting. Stuff that helps you win arguments, impress your friends, and actually understand what's going on in the world before the headlines start freaking everyone out. That's not just a less toxic version of social media. That's social media that actually gives you something back. AI isn't good or bad. It's a tool. And how it gets used, that's on you. If your feed keeps you doom scrolling through outrage, sucked into a dopamine loop of mindless memes, or feeling like the world is on fire, ask yourself why. Who's actually winning when you're stuck in that cycle? Hint, it's not you. The best way to break the algorithm? Stop letting it choose what you think about. So switch it up. Follow people outside your bubble. Engage with stuff that actually makes you think. Ask yourself, who's curating this? Who's making money off my attention? Because AI should be helping us, not just making billionaires richer. So support platforms that actually explain how their AI works. And when a platform starts feeling shady, treat it like a toxic ex. Call it out, or better yet, ghost it. When AI can fake reality in seconds, thinking for yourself is a superpower. AI can turn social media into a prison. Or it can make it the greatest tool for knowledge, connection, and creativity we've ever had. The difference? It's not up to AI. It's up to you.